Aloha and welcome back to my channel, Tech Tutorials for Real Estate. Here is today's tip or trick. It's official, I've had my first request for a video. Today we're going to talk about how to find price changes in MLS. So the first thing we're going to do is log into MLS, hang in there, and we're going to go over to the left navigation bar and click on Search and Get Listing Update. Once we're in here, we can control how many days back. The request was for 7, so we're going to do 7 days back. You can actually see all of the activity, the new listings, back on market, contingent, sold, under contract, expired, withdrawn, temporarily off market, preview properties, and price changes. But we're going to narrow this down based on the request. So the request was for Kauai. So I'm going to go over to the left navigation bar and put tax key 4. And now we've narrowed it down to Kauai. And we only want price changes. So I'm going to unclick new listings. And then I'm actually going to get rid of back on market, under contract, expired, contingent, withdrawn, sold, temporarily off market, and preview. And now our screen is solely the price changes. There have been 21 price changes in the past 7 days. And here you can see them all. You can sort by property type. You can sort by whether or not the price went up or down. And you can also change the property type. You can search just for condos or just for residential by clicking over here on the left. And that is how you see the most recent price changes in MLS. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to stay up to date and notified for new tutorials. Mahalo!